Welcome back to part 2 of our series on gorgeous open plan concept ideas for your living spaces. Today we are showcasing over 30 new open spaces that seamlessly bring together the living room, dining room and kitchen. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Hi everyone, I'm Lulu and I'm so excited to share with you these other more than 30 creative design ideas for modern and contemporary home interiors with open space concept. So without further ado, let's get into it. Imagine a space where you can entertain guests in the living room, set a beautiful dining table for a dinner party, and whip up a delicious meal in the kitchen without missing a beat. From sleek modern designs to cozy rustic vibes, we've got something for every style and taste. Open up your living spaces and create a flow that allows for easy interaction and functionality. Opt for a minimalist approach with clean lines and neutral colors, or go bold with vibrant accents and statement pieces that tie the whole space together. No matter your preference, these open plan concepts are sure to inspire and elevate your home to a whole new level. Say goodbye to the walls and hello to a more spacious and inviting living area. So whether you are hosting a dinner party, enjoying a cozy night in, or simply spending time with family, these open plan concepts are the perfect solution for modern living. Watch the whole video and let us know what you think and which one of these design ideas you like more. Shortly, with over 30 new designs showcased, you'll find inspiration on how to create seamless flow between these essential living spaces, living, dining, and kitchen areas. Let's have a look now at a modern open space plan that seamlessly integrates a living room with a dining area and kitchen. Here are some key features. The room has a spacious layout with minimalist design elements. A large flat screen TV is mounted on the white panel wall, surrounded by built-in cabinets with the ribbed textures. To the right of the TV, there is an open kitchen area with wooden upper cabinets and a marble backsplash. The floor is adorned with herringbone patterned wooden flooring that adds warmth to the space. In the foreground, there is a cozy sitting area consisting of a plush sofa and an armchair adorned with decorative pillows. An oval wooden coffee table sits between the sofa and the armchair. A large area rack adds textures and pattern to the room. There is an indoor plant in a white pot, adding greenery to the space. The lighting fixtures hanging from the ceiling consist of multiple spherical lights that illuminate the room. Overall, the space is well lit and elegantly furnished, showcasing a harmonious blend of comfort and style. Overall, the space from the image is characterized by minimalistic design elements, neutral color palettes, and an abundance of natural light. The furniture is sleek and functional, contributing to a spacious and uncluttered feel. The room is spacious with large windows, allowing ample natural light to flood the interior. A large, comfortable beige sofa occupies the center of the living area, adorned with a few cushions. In front of the sofa is a round white marble-style coffee table. Two minimalist armchairs with white upholstery are placed near the sofa. A textured area rug underlies the seating arrangement, adding warmth to the space. An artistic chandelier with multiple branches hangs from the ceiling, providing additional lighting. To the right, there is an open kitchen area featuring modern cabinetry and bar stools at the counter. A dining area is visible in the middle ground, featuring a black table surrounded by chairs. The walls are painted in soft neutral tones, complemented by dark curtains for contrast. This image depicts a modern contemporary open space that is well lit and elegantly furnished. Here are some key features. The living area features a plush, low-profile white sofa adorned with throw pillows positioned near a large window that allows ample natural light to flood the room. A stylish coffee table sits in front of the sofa, holding decorative items. The dining area is equipped with a wooden table surrounded by dark gray upholstered chairs, creating a contrast with the light tones of the room. Above the dining table hangs an artistic lighting fixtures, adding an element of sophistication. The kitchen is visible in the background, characterized by its modern design, including sleek cabinetry and state-of-the-art appliances. A kitchen island with bar stools provides additional seating and prep space. The floor is made of light wood, complementing the overall airy and spacious ambience of the room. Decorative elements like artwork on the wall and potted plants add personality and warmth to this contemporary space. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey through gorgeous open-plan concept ideas for your living spaces. Whether you are renovating, redecorating, or starting from scratch, these multifunctional spaces are perfect for modern living. Say goodbye to traditional separate rooms and embrace the open-plan lifestyle. Remember, an open-plan living room isn't just about space. It's about creating a lifestyle that's both functional and beautiful. Let's transform your living spaces together. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different style, trends, and themes for your home. Thank you for watching and happy decorating. Bye for now.